when people say such nice things about you, you don't know what to really say. But I do want to take this opportunity to maybe name a few people who have made a lot of difference to me in the Times of India. First and foremost, of course, the organization itself. I think Times of India is an incredible institution. It gave me my footing, it gave me my identity of whatever I am, and every time I used to pick up the phone and tell a client or an agency, hi, I'm Sandhya Dhar from Times of India. I think that I'm going to miss first and foremost. So I owe a lot to this organization, and it's before this I worked with what is now called Idea Cellular. It used to be with AT&T Communications. So and before that I did a short stint with Wipro as well. So I must say it is really a place where you learn. And one other thing, among a lot of good things that this organization has, is that the bonding that people have here. It is you don't stay in a place in any association. I'm saying whether it's a friendship or whether it's that's my personal view which I'm sharing. In any association, whether it's a friendship or it's any other kind of companionship or anything, if it doesn't have bonding. So I think to all of you guys, thank you for giving me that and giving me a sense of belonging in this organization, because I can't even say second home, because most of us spend more time than what we in Times of India than what we have spent at home. So therefore, that's one. Very importantly, I want to start. You just have to be a little patient with me, because I will not get this opportunity to thank a lot of people who are here or not here at the moment. To start with, firstly, Mr. Nandan Thalien, because I don't know whether if you know, he was the one who actually got me to Times of India. So thank you very much, Mr. Nandan, because with him I learned a lot of things, but I'll possibly pick up one peculiar thing, that how to find water in desert. I mean, amazing person who would network and find that creative thing. And after that, Mr. Nilanjan Bhaumik, had a nice time. I worked deeply with him. Now, of course, he's moved abroad. Mr. Bhaskar Das, who was a mentor, teacher, who laid the foundation of basic concepts of what we learned in media. Mr. Sujoy Ghosh, under whom I got most of the ragda, which has helped me hold in a good stead. Okay, it helped me survive. So thank you very much, sir. After that, Jessie, when I started working, first I worked with Jessie. So she made me comfortable. Thank you very much, Jessie. Sudha, she's told you we were together, and I must say, Sudha helped me survive. And although we were never meeting daily, but the way she would speak for me, I will never forget that. And she's the reason I got to parade. Thank you very much, Sudha. Then Suchi, from you I learned how to be organized all the time, how to be, how to think logically in most of the situations. So thank you very much for imparting that to me. After that, this is just a chronological sequence and not in the sequence of any importance, please, because I am trying to remember in my mind. So after that, Rasesh, some great time I had working with Rasesh. Rasesh, I thank you for imparting the enthusiasm that you do. Rasesh always feels कि सब कुछ हो सकता है. Everything is possible in this world, and with that attitude, because we have seen some tough times also in terms of revenue, etc. in the business, but thank you for all that support, guidance, and the best, how to make presentations very interesting, and how to have fun at work. Thank you very much, Rasesh. Then of course, Prakash. Sir, I think emotional quotient. I mean, the way he makes you feel comfortable, the way he calms you down in situations and makes you look at better times, better things. So thank you very much, Prakash. Then Nafisa. What do I say about Nafi? Because one of the most balanced persons I have seen. You know, अरे खो जाएगा ना, कर लेंगे ना, you know, how she will take the whole team along and make everybody work together and achieve a goal while keeping her balance and present both sides of the situations. You know, when she's having a discussion with Sujoy or otherwise, I've seen. So I tried my best to see and write from there. Thank you very much, Nafi. After that, after Nafi, I'm trying to now remember. Team. So I think among my bosses, so that's if I'm sorry if I forget something, but I think more or less. Then of course comes my team. I think nobody can function without a good team. That's a given. You can never run alone in an organization and achieve a certain goal. So if you don't have the support and the bonding with the team, it doesn't work. That's my personal belief. So of course, 2 people in my team have been consistent with me for last 10, 12 years, and that is Rajendra Mama, who is not here. Fantastic. I have nothing to say about it. I think about Rajendra, most of the people know, and I wish him all the best wherever in LinkedIn where he is. And Manoj, who's a steady support. Anytime you tell anything to Manoj, you will never hear a no. That's his quality. Anybody who says anything, he will always say yes and do the job. So both of them. Then of course there have been various people who have worked with me over a period of time, and currently Rakshit, Vishal, Tanmay, Nimit, Altaf, and the newest member that we have, Karan. Thank you very much, everybody. I don't think I would have pulled on without your incredible support and faith. Thank you very much. I also had a short stint in consumer durables in between and IT, and I had the opportunity of working with Nitin and Vipin. Nitin, thank you very much, because I think I was lost in consumer durables. There used to be a time when we used to go out on calls and you would see some ad of some button somewhere, and I would ask him, Nitin, ये बर्तन consumer durable है क्या? So he would say, नहीं संध्या, ये वाला बर्तन नहीं है, वो वाला बर्तन है. You know, something like that. So thank you very much. So Vipin, who was as new as I was, but with his diligence, the way he settled in and helped me within that particular team, thank you very much. More importantly, my colleagues now, of course, Preeti, Ankita, Namrata, Soni, who else am I referencing? Anybody? Tanaz and I know each other even otherwise. So thank you very much to you all, because we have had some very fun moments in conferences, presentations, wherever we have been, and it's always been amazing to interact. And then of course the magician team. I feel they are really magicians. That is Indira, Shobha, Effie. Magicians, because you tell them to do like she said, the most unreasonable, but I must say they do it. So, though they are, the kind of stress under which they operate, 3 phones, 4 people trying to juggle the space and everything. But most often, 99% of the times, whenever you call up Effie or Indira or Shobha or Savni, Miletina, everybody, they ensure that it runs smooth for you. Your work is done. Willingly. So thanks to you all and any other member of the team. I also would like to mention and remember Mr. Sadir Khan here, because I think Khan Saab, wherever you are, thank you very much. For the kind of stressful job that he was handling, incredible. I have no words to explain, and so thank you. Yes. So yeah, she's right. Because while talks about budget issue, I don't think budget issue would have happened without Javed. So thank you, Monica. All the best wherever you are. Uday Joshi, who calls in the middle of the night to check about material. So, thank you, Uday. Thank you so much. Namita, who is now there. Praveen, Mr. Malekar, who are always there if you try to find out something and they guide you through and through. I know this is a little offside, but I also take this opportunity to remember one of our senior and beloved colleagues, Katie, because she used to help and guide in very tough situations, and so may God rest her soul in peace. I remember and thank her at this point of time. Her colleagues, Suresh Lalwani, Vinayak, Jamshed, people who have helped in stressful situations, saying, this is how we should manage, this is how we should do. Thank very much to the entire department. I just hope I'm not missing somebody. This is a problem in taking names, actually. I'm not missing anybody. But in case I have missed anybody, I am extremely sorry if I have missed any name, but I would like to say from the bottom of my heart, I'm going to miss this organization. I'm going to miss, I don't think it's going to be a 16-year stint anywhere I go. It doesn't happen like that. But it is an amazing organization to be in. More importantly today, of course, I also want to thank Neeta, wonderful colleague. I love her for the selflessness that she has taught me over things. You know how selflessly she will try to organize, whether it is a presentation, whether it's a conference, whether it's a farewell, whether it's a birthday, and I mean, who takes so much pains in life? Yeah, come on. Thank you so much, Neeta, for making this very special for me. Some of the new colleagues who have taken out their time today, Rohit, thank you very much. Subroto, thank you very much for taking out your time. Of course, our interactions have been very limited, but thank you so much. My other colleagues, Sunil, Vijay, thank you for being here, and to everybody. Ajit, of course, says we not really work, but Ajit and I always ensure we have some conversations while we are passing by, and it's always been insightful. So thanks a lot. And of course, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our President, Mr. Arun Avkash Sharma, and the Director, Mr. Joy Chakravarti, who gave me the opportunity of looking at this business at a national level, which gave me the exposure. So thank you very much, and guys, all the best, and we are going to be connected. Thanks.